This is the elevator at 5000 McKnight Road in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. This is an older Otis Series 1 elevator. Case very nice elevators. Lines burned out along with the airworks. Welcome to 4. And here you go up. Red indicators and button lights. Here at 4. I'll go back down to 1. This is certificate. ADA phone. Here's your standard fake marble cab. Looks like they redid it. If you look closely under there, you can tell it was originally fake wood grain. So I guess this new cab was just slapped on. Here are your older Otis Series 1 fixtures. So again, you can kind of see this was slapped on underneath this fake marble as fake wood grain. That's funny. Here back at 1. 1 and 3 rails have been replaced with a stronger one. That's going to be it.